You're watching Czar Films Variety Channel. Hi and welcome to the video. Today we're going to show you how to install the Sling TV app to your Amazon Firestick. First we have to install the app. So here's how. You're going to return to your Amazon Fire home screen. Okay. Then on the top you're going to go over to the left and click Search. And you'll see the main menu. So then you go down and go ahead and type in Sling. There you go. Sling TV, there it is on the bottom. Click center button to access. There's this Sling TV app right there. So now you want to go ahead and select the Sling app. There we go. Now we want to go down and we want to click the get the free download button. So go ahead and click download. It might take a few moments. There you go. Installing. Okay, now it's completely installed. Just go ahead and click open with the center button. There you go. Now the Sling TV app is installed. So now all you need to do is go ahead and sign in and start streaming. There you go. Thank you so much for watching.